Hey guys, just letting you know that the brand new Mighty Mugs just came out. It has the 210 logo on it in white. As I previously told you guys, we have a very limited supply, so if you are interested in the Mighty Mug, go to the website link down below at the top description. Check it out over there and get it before we sell out completely. If you guys don't know what a Mighty Mug is, pretty much it's a mug and it also sticks to surfaces so it doesn't fall over easily. So look, I can pretty much punch this thing and it barely falls over. Obviously depending how hard you punch it, but it's pretty good. Like, I'm punching it. Like, no one's actually gonna be punching a cup like this when they have it right in front of them with juice and stuff in it, but it's pretty cool. It makes it convenient so it doesn't spill everywhere. But I also said this before, that if you guys do happen to get one and you make like a funny video with it, maybe punching it or doing something with it that would be funny, I will throw it in my vlog. So keep that in mind. If you do get one, make sure to send me a video. What's up guys? How you guys doing today? It is currently 7:43 a.m. I have not woken up this early since high school. I woke up at 7, got a shower and got dressed. I'm about to dive into some food and get my day started. I am super excited because today is gonna be the very first day that I learn how to surf. Me, Lizzie, Alex, and Aiden are all gonna go down to a beach. We're gonna get a wetsuit, we're gonna rent a surfboard, and we're gonna get right into it. I am super excited because I've wanted to learn how to ride a surfboard for the longest time. I just never actually went out and did it. But today is that day that this is actually gonna happen. Are you excited, girl?
Yeah, and I was just thinking, I think you're really lucky that you just got that boosted board, because that probably helped a lot with your balance.
Oh yeah, my balance is terrible, but this is gonna be great. Let's do it. Never trust Alex and Aiden to be on time for anything. I know I should probably know this already, but I thought that they would figure, since, you know, we had a set time for today. No. It is now like almost an hour later of when we were actually supposed to go. I think they're like right about to be here though, which is good. But we wanted to get up early so we beat traffic and get everything out of the way and get over there as fast as possible. The bell already rang. There's no entrance in the class after bell rang. School be like.
Late notices.
Yeah, right?
Attention.
Alright, are we going to Santa Monica or Venice? What do you think's better?
Like 5 or 10 minutes apart.
I'm gonna check the stats.
Yeah,
The
Alex
stats?
is gonna check the
I did a little bit last night, but
What, like weather area? Or like
Well,
the,
like the
the
swell,
waves?
like
The waves and shit,
yeah.
okay. That will determine it for
I'm
sure.
just gonna act like I know what I'm talking about. So if the swells are good, that's where we're going.
That's where we're going.
That's where we're going, dude.
You know what's insane though? Like,
Alex, whenever Alex wears these glasses, it always reminds me of that little salt dude.
guy.
Because you're salty. By the way, I said Aiden when I meant Alex.
Yeah.
Good morning! I just farted! Good morning! I just farted! So we decided that we're gonna head over to Venice. Alex said that the waves are probably a little bit better over there, so that's where we're going. I rolled down the windows because we had to stop somewhere real quick, and Aiden is editing, and this is what he looks like. I don't know why he's doing that, but I guess it's easier to edit for him. And I was like, my whole car gets robbed because Aiden's just fucking sitting under the thing, has no idea. But we had to stop at CVS real quick. I have to try and get some tape or something. I have to wrap my GoPro around it because of the fact that the housing I have for my GoPro, I didn't realize, but last minute I realized that it was broken. Lizzie's playing with a dog. So I'm gonna try and tape the housing. So hopefully my GoPro doesn't get destroyed or lost because it falls out of the housing. Apparently this dog's been out here all morning. Nobody knows whose it is.
dude, we can't just leave it.
I know.
Like, no way in fuck. My mom would be so mad at me.
I know, but like, whose is it? You have no idea? Damn, that guy got us, man. I thought it was like a lost dog. No, it was actually this guy that was right out there. So that's good. At least he's not by himself. I'm gonna try duct tape. Hopefully this works good. You guys are still out here. Anything gets stolen? Yeah. Like, he don't even reply. He doesn't even know his headphones on. Lizzie bought some treats and water for the dog. Alright, so this is how we rigged it up a little bit. We have it taped around on the sides. No water should get in there. I think we're good.
Is it on recording?
Cut to water getting in there.
Hard cut the water getting in there, pretty much. Alright, let's go over to the beach and get this whole thing figured out.
This thing isn't even sticky anymore.
Yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll just hold it. Aiden just took that thing off his head. He's like, damn, that was quick. We're here already?
Confusing, bro. Literally just took the shirt off my head.
He did that because of the glare. Like, the glare's disrupting his eyes. Thank you, man. Business hours, 8:30 on Sunday.
Well, it's 9.
It's almost 10. You guys fucked up. Ain't that just nice?
Ready to go surfing.
Oh yeah?
Imagine if there was a song about flowers. These hoes need soil.
What?
These hoes need soil. When a rich flower wants you.
Just got over to the beach. Beautiful out here. I mean, it's definitely a little chilly, that's for sure.
So you should insert. Let's go to the beach. Eat.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get a wave.
I always destroy my G7X whenever I come to a beach because I get sand in the screen.
Yeah, you better not ruin that.
And the
Just
lens.
got a G6.
Oh!
That didn't make sense. Lance and I have literally been making all these jokes that don't make sense.
They make no sense, but they're funny.
Laughing at
Yeah.
I look like the Krusty Krab pizza right now.
Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me. Pizza.
Krusty Krab, yeah, pizza. It's the pizza, yeah, for you and me. Killed it. Is that gonna be us right there? That's gonna be me, it just fell off.
Raise your hand if you're scared.
They got up too early. Got up way too early.
Them?
That dude didn't paddle hard enough. He thought the waves gonna fuck him.
All right, professional. Shit. Before we go riding the waves, Alex wants to grab some food. Dude, Alex, they don't accept credit card here. Don't worry, I got you.
Yeah, dude. Please.
Nothing in there. Aiden's still currently working on his video. He's got a lot of footage he's got to edit down. I'm in the car driving. I think Aiden's in the back editing, and I see him dancing to the music, and this is what he says to me.
I was like, bro, I wasn't dancing. It's because you were driving. I was gonna like.
About to get a 10 just waiting here. Sun's pretty bright. Here he goes again.
Yeah.
Get that glare out of the way. Anytime Lizzie sees a dog, she goes over to him. I just want to like scoop her eyeball out for some reason. Can I get it?
No.
That'd be pretty cool if somebody just let you scoop their eyeball out though. No, don't try it on me. When you're trying to pick your nose but don't want anyone to see. What is that?
That's the
Huevos rancheros.
Says it with the accent and everything.
Yeah.
French toast. I didn't get anything I ate earlier. Damn, Aiden's housing that. Sorry, I'm taken. I'm taken. He's like, what the hell? He's doing dips in there. Yeah. Sorry, bro, I'm taken.
Yo.
I'm taken. I'm taken, bro. I'm flattered, but I'm taken. I'm taken. This dude's jamming his bike. He bouncing up and down.
Yeah, the dog's jamming too.
I know. Getting some skateboards. I almost said skateboards. We're getting some surfboards right now. Everyone's got their wetsuits. We're about to get changed. Let's do this, boys. These things are crazy tight. I'm trying to get it on right now. It's a little difficult. It's all good though.
Get it on.
All right, here we are. Damn, bae. You rocking the Uggs?
I know. I forgot my flip-flops.
Oh my gosh. So it is currently the next day. I have some bad news. So I was just gonna go edit my video. I'm searching everywhere for my GoPro. It's lost. I have no idea where it is. I checked my car, checked everywhere. So all that footage that I had on my GoPro, and the GoPro of course, is lost and I can't get it back. So sorry about that, guys. I had some really great footage on there. I don't know what to do. We just wrapped it up. That was hectic. Like, I tried my absolute best. Alex caught a few waves. I almost caught a few. I was riding a wave and then like I tried getting up and I fell. I slipped and fell.
It was a pretty crazy day to surf, honestly, because
The
we
waves
had to
were
go
hectic.
out so far, and they definitely had power to them. And dude, for like beginning, these guys, yeah, Lizzie, Aiden, Lance, they all just fucking jumped into it.
Yeah, I jumped right
ate
into it. Listen, I was eating shit. I was eating so much shit. And even after that, I'm like, fuck it, let's just go. Let's just go. I was loving it. I was loving it.
So amped up.
I was loving the shit eating. I'm kidding. But seriously, like, it was crazy. It was fun though. I definitely had a good time. Lizzie went once, completely wiped out, had like 3 waves hit her.
Thought she was gonna die.
Thought she was gonna
I
die.
did. I could not breathe. What do you not understand?
And then she didn't go the rest of the
I
time.
was about to inhale right when I came out of the water.
Yeah, I inhaled a ton of water as well. But
That's fucked up that I'm laughing. Well, hey, you can't be mad at me because, Lizzie, I did help you.
You did a lot.
And we just gotta get our wetsuits off right now, return them, and then we will be on our way. Aiden tried to go help them and he got taken by a wave too.
I ran them both over.
Let me see. Holy sh! Look at Aiden's back, bro.
know, I'm
You're
peeling
peeling
like crazy,
so
bro.
much.
It's insane.
I'm dressed now. Unfortunately, I don't have another pair of underwear, so I'm kind of like free balling it right now.
Does it feel weird?
Does it feel weird free balling it? Nah, it feels good. Free balling.
Yes.
Dude, I'm making up all songs today, man. What's the one I made?
Oh, yo,
What's up, homie?
I feel good. It's just like my arms and legs feel really tired.
Isn't it a cool workout?
Yeah,
Like,
it's a
full
great
body,
workout.
Like,
And I still want to hit the gym later.
Yes.
For sure.
yeah.
You guys down?
So down.
Let's do it.
So down.
What we should probably do right now is get some food.
Yes. I'm hungry.
Down to head back home.
I'm
first.
like, it's like fucked up, but I'm like in the mood for a smoothie.
Yeah.
Yes! I'm so glad
Yes,
people
a
agree with
smoothie.
me.
Yo, tell me why they're both doing their makeup right now.
I'm just kidding. I don't
Aiden's
know.
doing a better job. I just got a temperature warning on my phone. I guess it's way too hot.
Played my mixtape.
Play your mixtape? That's probably not why. I'm reading the comments on yesterday's video, and a lot of you guys really don't like the edits that I was doing. See, it was just like a one-time thing. I went to try it out, see if you guys would like it, but a lot of you don't. So I'm just gonna go back to the normal way of me editing my videos. Every once in a while, me editing in a funny clip is cool, but not every single like minute. Alright, we just got our smoothie, strawberry banana. Gonna stop and get some gas really quick, almost out. Talking dirty to your gas station, be like, oh yeah, you like that? Oh yeah, stick it in. Oh! I'm so fucked up. Bro, there's so much sand in my ears. I'm just like digging sand out. Look at that. Ew. Alex, I feel like you'd be the type of person to get on one of those bikes on top of that car as they're fucking driving like 70 miles an hour.
Honestly, how'd you know? Because I definitely would.
Dude, that would be dope.
Like, that would be so sick.
And dangerous.
Very,
Who cares?
very, exactly, you know?
Where'd you come from? You're out of this world to me. You're a symbol of what a big, beautiful woman should be. Ooh-wee. I never wanna see you cry.
We just got back. I definitely feel like I need a nap because we woke up really early. I didn't nearly get as much sleep as I usually do because I do go to sleep late as well. Yo, we both got color today though. Look at
I
that.
don't get it. When you're out doing activities,
Wow.
you get more burnt than you do just
Yeah,
laying
because you're
there.
actually having fun and you're not just sitting under the sun.
Time
And you
flies
think,
more.
yeah, and you think like an hour went by and you check the clock, it's been 10 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
You know?
And when
So-
you're out, it feels like it's been 10 minutes, but it's been 2 hours.
Look at that. We finally got, it's been a while. we
I wish it
finally
was
got
our whole
some.
body though, instead of just our face.
Yeah, I definitely feel it. It's like,
Oh my
you
God,
know
your
you got,
hands are red.
you know you got sunburn when like your face feels like it's
Stiff.
sticking together. Yeah. Pool area is popping today. There's so many fucking people. Holy crap. Look how red our faces are.
Yeah, this isn't saturated, guys. Like, this is serious.
Yeah, no, like I'm not saturating shit right now. I've always noticed that after getting a shower, after going to the beach or tanning for a while, that you always see the redness a lot more. Hey, my outfit's matching real good today. Shit, I just hit like 3 different floors. I was trying to hit 6 and I hit 8 and then 5 and then 6. My bad.
You didn't know which floor we were going to.
Oh shit.
What the fuck is up, dude? What's up? Who's doing that shit?
Obviously not me.
Stab your ass.
Butter knife.
Yeah, but it'll still work if I do it hard enough.
Oh, you like it hard enough?
Yeah, I love this butter knife from my ass hair.
Slides right in, it's
yeah,
buttery.
It's just slick like butter.
You're good for days.
What?
I drink a gallon of water every day.
Inspiration right
Great
there.
way to clear. Oh my god, you guys are red as fuck, looking like lobster.
I know.
Y'all are like the fucking special menu at Red Lobster. I ordered a Lance and Leisure to go. Alright, so I'm over here playing GTA, right? And I'm thinking these motherfuckers, Lance and Lizzie, are over here like on their phone. These bitches just fell asleep on my couch. What am I supposed to do? Oh man, I wish I had a taser. I would just tase them awake. That's what you gotta do. Fall asleep on my couch, get tased. Let me postmate the taser right now, actually.
Damn, I really just fell asleep at Nick's. I'm tired. I'm still so tired right now, I feel like I'm in a dream. Like, I don't feel like I'm actually awake right now. It's the weirdest feeling. Yo, are you trying to lay out and get a tan? I think we need it.
Huh? Not until after my face heals. If anything, I'll just cover my face right now.
I look like a fucking tomato.
Not at all.
I'm passing out again. I'm going back to sleep. We just woke up after like a 2-hour nap. As you can see, our faces, it looks like mine's swollen. I don't really know. We're in a little bit of pain. Hopefully we don't get sun poisoning like we did last time. I don't think we will with this. But Lizzie's putting some aloe on her face.
I don't feel the way I did before. Like,
Yeah.
you can insert my picture right now to show them what my face looks like.
I can't even find it. It's
No,
really
I
old,
have
but
it
our
on my
face
phone.
was blown up like crazy. It was pretty bad. I just got word that there's like this huge YouTuber party going on later tonight. Me and Lizzie are gonna go over there with Big Nick and check it out. But it should be pretty fun. I am super out of it right now. Like, I definitely needed those naps. If I did not take those naps, I probably would not have vlogged or picked the camera up again if I did fall asleep. If that makes any sense. I took like 2 naps. Like, I woke up at Big Nick's, came back here, and then took another nap. And I definitely feel re-energized right now. Ew, Lizzie's always cracking everything. Stop! What are you doing?
I can't do it.
You know why they crack, right? Do you know why they crack? Or why it makes that cracking sound? You have like these like little like air bubbles in between like your fingers, for example. When you crack it, like I don't really know
I don't
exactly.
like cracking my fingers because your knuckles can get huge. So
Yeah, it like pops or something. I'm not really sure. Yeah.
Air bubbles under your skin? How?
I don't really know how it all works, but that's what I've heard. There's like these little like bubbles in between, and when you crack it, it like does that. Alright, just so I don't sound dumb, I literally just looked this up too as like confirmation. It says cracking sounds occur when bubbles form in joints as they are pulled apart. Cavitation within the joint, small cavities of partial vacuum form in the synovial fluid, and they rapidly collapse, producing a sharp sound, rapid stretching of ligaments. So that's what it is. What the fuck are you doing? Ew! What are you doing now? What is going on right there?
I don't know, but remember the thing with my shoulder?
What? Oh,
here?
yeah, her bone like pops out. She's doing some freaky stuff right now. You guys can't see it, but
See,
this
I'm a
bone
little
like
talented.
pops all the way out. Show us how you fight.
This is how I fight lizard. You talking your shirt? Oh, but I could never hit a woman. I have to hit a man.
Come on.
Actually, you're a woman too.
Oh, fuck you.
Put 'em up.
On my way, lizard. Oh, fuck you.
Oh, shit, Nick. Damn, they don't see. Yo, Nick, you raised like this and she still didn't see you.
Oh,
Damn, you gotta be careful.
I know, brother. I'm scared.
We came over to this little burger grill. It's really good over
Trying to
here.
get more in the shot. Maybe I should just raise my feet up a little bit. No, we're good. Okay, just want to be in the vlog.
When you're trying to get tagged in a picture.
We should.
Oh, it's not popping. Oh, there it is. It wasn't popping. Hey, look at them beef patties. Oh shit, did you see the flames coming off? That's so satisfying watching that pour out, the ice cream mix. Nick just said he's gonna join the NBA.
Yeah, bro. Actually, I'm also like, here's the thing. I applied to be in it, right? And they're like, dude, you're too tall.
They said you're too tall?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude,
They didn't even take into consideration your moves and how quick of a runner you are?
Dude, I tried out for them and everything, and they're like, dude, we can't. You're just way too tall. I'm like, oh, so it's like that then.
Wow, bro. Dude, this thing just went off and it scared the hell out of Nick. His whole body jumped.
It's making me horny now.
Wait, here. Use it as a toy. Nick, reenact what you just did. He just tried sticking a whole burger.
I tried sticking it like this and it didn't work. So I got a little bit in there and I just took a bite. So I could create a
He
little
tried sticking a whole burger in there. I am gonna destroy this burger. Take this into consideration. I'm done my burger. Nick got his way before us. He's still eating it. And Lizzie took like 3 bites, it looks like.
You know why I win?
Why?
We like to enjoy our food. And did you know,
I enjoyed mine.
if you chew slower and digest slower,
You have full quicker.
no, it's healthier.
Is it?
Yeah.
I devour my food. I scarf it all down.
That's why you fat, dog. I'm just kidding. You ain't fat. You average. But you still cute, though. Blow one back, baby. Oh, thanks, bro. That works, too.
Gone with the wind.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
Are you falling asleep?
What? No, I was just,
Playing it off.
I was just resting my eyes.
Yo, Lizzie's cheating the system right now.
Damn,
Look at that. It looks like she doesn't even have sunburn anymore.
Damn, bro.
That's what makeup does.
I didn't even blend it in yet.
Lance,
so
you
don't
gotta
judge
put
me.
makeup on, bro.
I know.
Let me do it for you.
Hell no, stop. How am I looking, Nick?
Dumb fresh.
Except for Larry the Lobster.
Oh yeah, well, bro, it's all good. You ordered him to go.
I ordered him to go. Currently waiting on our Uber. We're gonna head over to this little mansion party.
But you guys, we did take a sexy Snapchat picture on Lance's Snapchat, and your Snapchat is what?
It's Lance210. You can add me on
You
there.
guys- yeah, but do it right now because it's gonna expire soon. And we look really good in it.
Hey.
So add it right now. If you don't do it right now, a clown's gonna come kill you in your sleep.
Nick always with that free promo on my own
We're out
videos.
with friends.
Yeah.
Like he'll walk past somebody and be like, oh, here's his Instagram.
That's funny. But hey, at least I don't have to self-promote. You can do it for me. Bro, someone's gonna slip over this banana peel. Some Mario Kart shit, man. And the Uber right now going up the hills of Hollywood. It's so annoying going up these hills because you have to make like 40 turns. All right, here we are. They have an elevator in the freaking mansion. That's nuts. So you guys probably know, but this is FaZe Blaze again. Hey, what's going on? Hey. Lance Stewart's vlog. Good shit.
They said?
We're taking the elevator because it's way easier for Nick than going up all those stairs.
Hey, but you like that shit too, huh?
Those stairs are cool looking.
Yeah, they are cool looking. Makes them harder though, that's why I can't use them. So I'm just like ejaculate all over the floor.
Yo, you make my vlog so vulgar. Way more vulgar than they already
Yeah, I
are.
was say, Cody, watch out. I'm
When
taking
he's
over.
around you, his vulgarity level goes so much higher.
Yeah.
You like.
I gotta be careful when
Dude, my level like broke the meter.
This place is so fucking dope. Dude, a pool? That is so sick. And then a hot tub up here. So there's like certain areas that we can't record. And Nick started recording in one of these
Everyone
areas.
went silent.
Everybody went dead silent because somebody literally came up to me right as we went up there and be like, yo man, just heads up, like don't record around
No
here.
one told me that though, so now I feel awkward. I dead ass want to leave now. Like, I really do, bro.
Look at this fucking kitchen area. What? Bro, they got a gym here too. What is this? We're just trying to tour this place a little bit. There's so many blue lights in here. All right, we are gonna head back to the apartment now. We were only there for about an hour. There's a lot of people there though. A lot of YouTubers I met, ran
Everyone
into.
trying to fucking like talk to Lance, be like, Lance, I want to suck your nipples. Lance was like, yo, chill. Dude,
I know, and then Lizzie came and she's like, you can't let them do that.
But I was like,
and that's exactly what she said. You can't let them do
But then
that.
I don't even know how to do that.
I told Lizzie it's for business reasons.
Yeah, anybody
can't-
can suck the 210 nipple.
I can't even say like that. You can't let on dirt or how? How do
Damn,
you say
Lance
that?
210.
Damn, I do it better. You can't even do that.
Can't even
210,
do
bro.
that.
I don't even know what the hell I'm saying right now. We're just waiting on a ride. David's picking us up in his Tesla.
He's our Uber. I called it Uber XL.
Yeah,
And
Uber
it's
XL,
David's
and
Tesla.
it was David's Tesla.
Yeah.
So, all right, your Uber has arrived.
Uber's here, bro.
All right, see you, Nick.
See you, man.
I wish I could take a ride with you.
Yeah, I know, but you have to pay for the Uber. You can split it with me if you want. You can get it.
We can split
Yeah,
fares.
we'll split this Uber. If you pay PayPal me, I'll let you get in.
Can I split the fare, Uber?
Yo, Uber.
Split the fare. Okay.
You start vlogging?
No, bro. I haven't vlogged ever. It's my first time.
Nick, are you just sitting right here?
Do I have to sign a consent form to have you in my video?
Yeah, we'll get to that later.
All right, cool.
Yo, so we're actually putting up David's Tesla for sale. We infiltrated his car right now.
Yeah, we got in. We got in.
Did you get the for sale sign?
No.
What the fuck? That was your only job.
I can't even see you.
We're not putting his car up for sale.
Fuck, I
We
failed.
will put his house up for sale though.
What else are you gonna use for clickbait now?
Probably putting up Liza's car for sale.
Oh,
Yo, do you think
shit.
we could go over to Liza's place real quick?
Joke's on you, I have a Volkswagen Passat.
Oh yeah, I don't want to put that
Yeah,
up
no
for
one
sale.
cares, no.
Yeah.
Actually, if you can, I'd love to get rid of it.
But if you write Liza on it, it'll sell.
Yeah, oh for sure, definitely.
I just shook my head sideways and all this sand just fell in my ear.
In or out?
Like it felt,
That's so nasty.
bro, it's still coming out.
It's disgusting.
Dude, it's like, it's literally
Yo,
lodged
I don't know
all
if
the
we
way
can
up.
hang out anymore. I don't want fucking carpet all sand.
It's lodged all the, bro.
Yo, you know what you need to do?
I'm like the fucking Sandman, bro. I'm just
You need to do
shaking
like,
sand out my ears.
They have like eardrops. If you do that, man, it'll just seep through and you'll like eventually sneeze it up.
That's insane. Straight up Sandman. Alright, you going to bed?
Sandman,
You going to bed or should we come up?
Yeah, come on.
Alright.
What time is it? 10 p.m.?
Yeah, bro, it's getting late, man.
Yeah,
I got my bedtime.
Yeah, bro, my mom's gonna be pissed when she sees this vlog and sees the time.
It's actually like 1 a.m.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but guess what? Dwarfs never sleep.
Hell
We
yeah.
just recharge our batteries. I have a battery.
If you heard that they do, that's a myth.
Yeah, it's a myth, bro. We don't sleep, bro. I have a battery pack in my stomach, and I have one charging up right now, actually. I'm
Sick.
charged up.
Yeah.
Wow.
He locked the door because she keeps ringing the
She's
doorbell.
in timeout, bro. So control your
Can we
door.
fucking, can I just rip this thing off?
What is that?
The doorbell.
No, don't do that.
It is currently the next morning. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget that the Mighty Mugs just came out today. We have a super limited supply. If you guys are interested, make sure to go to the website link down below at the very top description. Check it out over there, and I will see you guys next time. Bro, you face planted almost into the fucking chair. And where did this come from?
Holy shit.
Where's the measuring cup coming from?
Holy shit.
Thank you. I had to measure my gains.
Oh!